The Vault is a collection management tool that helps you organize your items and track their value over time. If you're looking to learn how to access the Vault and get started organizing what's most important to you, you're in the right place. After you've logged into your WorthPoint account, you'll be taken to the home page of the site. From there, you can click on the Vault from the navigation menu at the top of the page. This will take you to your dashboard. For this example, our fearless leader Will Sieppel has graciously offered an inside peek into his Vault, so this is what Will's dashboard looks like. Here you can see different collections and individual items in Will's Vault. From your dashboard, you can browse through your collections or go to a specific collection to view items you have associated with that collection. One of the core actions you can do here is add an item to the Vault. Will has a new item he wants to add to the Vault, so he'll click on Add Vault Item. He'll then upload photos of the item, then go on to add some more details describing the item's significance. This can include information such as how much he originally paid for the item, how he came to own it, any history he might have on it, why it's important to him, and where he currently keeps it stored. He can also assign different descriptive tags to help him organize even more. Once he reviews this information is accurate, he uploads his item and gets taken to the confirmation page, which gives him an overview of his newest Vault item. Here he can do a couple of things, but the most important thing he can do next is click here to get his worth score estimate, which is a range of what this item has been selling for over a specific time period. He can view the range of sales prices along with a chart documenting the price value over time, which can help guide his decisions about if, when, and for how much he'd ever like to sell. Once his item has been uploaded, he can return to his dashboard and see the new item there. The Vault gives you the power to preserve as you please. What will you preserve today?